say boom shakalaka boom boom. All right, y'all ready to have a nice Gullah Geechee time? And we just want to share, we want to honor our culture, we want to honor our history, our heritage, our families, our mama, our babas, our papas, our children, and definitely our ancestors. Can everybody say ski you for Denmark VC? Can we hear y'all say ski you for September P. Clark out there? Can I hear y'all say boom shakalaka for Esau Jenkins out there? Yeah, and Gullah Jack and all of those beautiful ancestors who helped pave the way for us to be here standing on this ground today. So without further ado, we present to you all Deninufay!
Imani dun 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 bala, imani dun dun ba, dun dun bala, dun dun bala, dun dun bala, dun dun bala, dun dun bala,
Yeah, so Deninufay represents strong men. And if you're from this area right y'all in Charleston in the Low Country, you know that we are filled with strong, beautiful black people, black energy, yeah? That's right, we came from kings and queens. That's right. We are the descendants of the unique ones, the Gullah Geechee people. Right y'all in the Low Country of Charleston, South Carolina. And we be Gullah Geechee anointed people, is that okay? Yeah.
How y'all doing? How you doing? All right. So we're gonna have some fun tonight. Are y'all ready? Okay, I'll tell you what, as we get the party started, this is way too empty. We need people to come on down and get the party started. So matter of fact, are you ready to get this thing going? Let's go. Come on. Man, where's the party people at? Where's the party people at? I need to see your party people. Come on. Hey.
So you wanna be starting something, you got to be on something. Come on. I said you wanna be to be something. You got to be something. How to get over? To love to get over. Just stuck in the middle. How to get over? To love to get over. Just stuck in the middle.
When it first started. Are you with me? 1, 2.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Hope everybody is doing well. We are AJ Love, and we are so excited to be here with you all this afternoon. Are you enjoying your time in the Low Country? If you are, can you put your hands together? Are y'all awake out there? All right. If you are unstoppable, please put your hands together. Come on.
That held us down, but now it looks
like things are finally coming around. I know we've got a long, long way to go, and where we'll end up, I don't know. But we can't let nothing hold us back. We're putting ourselves together, we're polishing up our act now. If you've ever been held down before, I know you refuse to be held down anymore, yeah. So don't you let nothing stand in your way. I want you to listen to every word I say, every word I say. Come on, moving, yeah. Come on, hey. Yeah, that's what I like to see. You make me happy, yeah. It's you picked it. You stood right beside me, yeah. Come on, y'all. And I won't forget. Woo. I really love you. You should know. I wanna make sure I'm fine, oh, before I let go. Come on. Now we've had a good time. That's what they said. We're hurting about. Yeah, y'all look amazing. Boy, it's so sad. I won't be foolish, no. I wanna know. I wanna make sure I'm right, oh, before I let go. Thank you. All right, I need y'all to make some noise for my amazing sister Queen Quet over there. Always on the move. This young lady has energy like nobody's business. She is all over the place, all over the planet doing the work that so many people talk about doing. But no, listen, she's not about talk, she's about action. So I need you to give it up for Queen Quet, the amazing. Come on. The beautiful, the talented, oh my gosh. Just a phenomenal powerhouse and visionary. And it truly is an honor to be here. Now I think we're gonna do the throwback, the way back. See, they don't do that anymore. I was gonna say they used to play on the record player. They don't do that anymore. Hopefully somewhere along your musical journey you've heard this classic by Sam and Beth. Oh, come on, y'all, can you rock with us? Listen, if you ever change your mind about leaving me behind, oh, bring it to me, bring your sweet loving, bring it on home to me, yeah, 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 yeah. I know I laughed, baby, when you left, but now I know I only hurt myself. Oh, bring it to me, bring your sweet loving, darling, bring it on home to me, yeah, 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 yeah. See, I'll give you jewelry, baby, and money too. But that ain't all I do for you. Oh, bring it to me, bring me your sweet loving.
You stay out day and night. Oh, baby, bring it to me. Bring your sweet love. Bring it on home to me. Yeah, 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 yeah,
If you remember this one, y'all put your hands together. This is the amazing Sam Cooke and Lou Rawls. Yeah. Come on. I wait for night time to come to bring it to me.
I can't believe I'm the one. I was so lonely.
I feel like no one but you. I must be dreaming.
I want this dream to be real. I need this feeling. Let my wish upon a star. But this night will last forever. Oh, 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 oh. Ain't nobody, nobody love me better. Makes me happy. I see ya. Makes me feel this way. Ain't nobody love me better than you. First you put your arms around me.
I like that part.
Then you put your arms around me. Can't resist the sweet surrender. All my nights are warm and tender. Go ahead, we're staring into each other's eyes. What we see is no surprise. Got this feeling most with treasure.
I see you, Miss Karen. And in love so deep we cannot let it.
Makes me happy this way. Makes me feel this way. Nobody love me better.
I see it.
Nobody love
She's
me
smooth.
better.
I got this feeling in my heart. Makes me love the tender. And I love you. Makes me love me better. I'm going nobody. Come on.
Love me better.
Nobody.
Can nobody love me better than you.
So now, this evening, I want to bring to this stage somebody that I met some years ago. I call him the I Can Man, ladies. He is an R&B superstar the way we see him. He is from a part of South Kakalaki we call Somerville. And I'm telling you, he got the right place to live because when he comes to the stage, he gets the place hot. I want to bring to the stage right now the one, the only, who we call M.A. Marcus Ellis.
Come on, yeah. You want it, you got it, baby, you earned it. Baby, you're a star. You shine right where you are. There's no other better than you. I wanna give you the world, 'cause you deserve it, girl. My one and only lover. Come on, yeah. Listen, really wanna get your number. Really wanna waste your time. Not just make it longer. Baby, you're one in a million. Girl, love the way you shine. So let's just dance all night, girl. Come on, yeah. You are who you say you are. You never ever lonely. Never switched upon me, girl. You want it, you got it, baby, you earned it. Baby, you're a star. Baby, you're a star. Y'all doing all right? Can I sing for y'all a little bit tonight? Is that all right? I know you're a little hot. I know you've been eating. I know you did your thing already, but let's have a good time, y'all. Come on. Spending all these late nights on the road. Sometimes I made you wonder if I'm doing wrong. And I apologize, but you know the vibe, so I'm coming home. Oh, this girl, you got that get right thing all on my brain. Went through our phases, but you never change. Giving you all the things loyalty brings. Come on, y'all. Cause every time I call, you pick up. And when the seasons change, you don't switch up. Girl, you know that you're the realest. Got me all up in my feelings. Yeah, yeah. I'm feeling like my love. Down, baby, like my love. Let's do the same for me. I do the same for you. Oh, yeah. I'm feeling like my lover. Yeah, yeah. Down, baby, like my lover. Hold me down. Yeah, yeah. Listen, yeah, rock with me. I got you. You got me, girl. Let me go, y'all. You're mine. Oh, stay. Y'all good? Girl, you know I got you. Anything I got you. Girl, you know I got you. Girl, you know I got you. So good you know I got you. Girl, you know I got you. Anything I got you. Girl, you know I got you. Girl, you know I got you. Yes, dear, my baby. Come on, what? Say what? Girl, I hope you feel the same. I wanna make you my babe. I wanna make you fall in love, give you my last name. You and me, we can take over the world, just give me a chance. Cause it's me, baby, that you're missing. Every morning, every evening, till in the late night, gleaming. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah. So here with me tonight, girls. Life is the dance floor so we can get. Ain't nobody in this club might have than you. I'ma make you mine, girl, that's what it can do. And I'ma treat you right and make your dreams come true. It's cause we wanna dance all night. Just wanna have the whole. Don't stop, girl, I'm moving all night, keep it going, baby. Girl, let's go, hit the floor. Don't stop, girl, I'm with it, do it all night, keep it going, baby. It's you and me. Listen, girl, we conquer the world. I can.
This will not be the last time that we party together. But Kwame, you know how you do. Get some last dance music for these people. You know we don't walk out no place. We dance out the place up in here.
Hit me, Mr. DJ. This is my favorite month of the year. Feel free to dance, clap, sing with me. That's it. Give me some more volume. Do you remember the 21st night of September? Love was changing the minds
It's all right with me. You make me so brand new, and I wanna spend my life with you. Since we've been together, loving you forever is what I need. Let me be the one you come running to, and I'll never be yeah, let me sing this part. Can you sing? Let's stay together. Loving you weather. Times are good or bad, happy or sad. I got sunshine on a cloudy day. When it's cold outside, I got the month of May. Well, I guess you say what can make me feel this way. My girl, he say, my girl, talking about my girl. All right, well, I'm gonna let y'all hear my new single that I just released about 11 days ago, and it's titled Rice and Gravy. Turn up the backing music for me, please. Okay, I got you. I got something to tell y'all, yeah. Listen here, listen here, listen here. Here's a beat that'll make you move. While you're moving, I want you to listen to. Ain't no need for looking at me if you can't make no rice and gravy. Food is a way to a man's heart. Some of you ladies, you're off to a bad start. Can't nurse no grits, can't cook no grits. You're only good enough just to do one thing. Let me tell you something while we're on the scene. If you want a good country man, listen to Geechee Mayne. Love is good and body is nice, but learn to make some gravy and rice and some cornbread and collard greens, macaroni, cheese and yams, turnip greens and black-eyed peas. That's some of that southern loving cornbread and collard greens, macaroni, cheese and yams, turnip greens and black-eyed peas. That's some of that southern loving. That's some of that southern loving. Give me some of them, some of that, some of them rolls. Not the ones from the store. That kind of movement will have them coming back for more. I can see why your grandmama had 13 kids. She wore that moo-moo and she laid them ribs. She really knew how to stand apart. By the end of the night, the gravy's what she got. 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 The gravy's what she got.
Thank you. I enjoyed y'all today.
That's all, girl. You did that. That's all you That fella got the belly full of that rice and gravy. And mac and cheese too. There you go. Walk it. You got something else, kid?
Y'all want one more of my originals or one of the other?
Come on, let's go. What you got? Whatever you got. Sounds good, man. Look at make good to the sound.
This is how we do it. This is how we do it. Sha-la-la-la-la-la. This is how we do it. Sha-la-la-la-la-la. This is how we do it. Sha-la-la-la-la-la. This is how we do it. This is how we do it. This Friday night, I feel alright. It's a party here on the west side, so I reach for my 40 and I turn it up. Designated driver, take the keys to my truck. Hit the show 'cause I'm faded. Money over here, say money over me there. Feels so good in my hood tonight. Summertime skirts and my guys at night. All gangbangers, we got enough to drive by. You gotta get your groove on before you go get paid. So tip up your cup and throw your hands up. Let me hear the party say, kind of us a song because this is how we do it. Josh and Joe does it like nobody does. This is how we do it. All my neighbors, you got much flavor. This is how we do it. Let's flip the track, bring the old school back. This is how we do it. This is how we do it. All hands are in the air and waving from here to there. If you an OG man who an old school player, ever since I was a lowercase G, now I'm a big G. God, he's got the money, dollar bill, y'all. If you went from where I'm from, then you should know that I gotta get mine in a big black truck. You can get yours in a 6-4. Whatever it is, the party's underway. So tip up your cup and throw your hands up. Let me hear the party say, kind of buzz a song because this is how we do it. Quick does it like nobody does. This is how we do it. To all my neighbors, you got much flavor. This is how we do it. To all my neighbors, you got much flavor. This is how we do it. I'll never come back from an old school track. This is how we do it. Once upon a time in '94, my son had no money and life show was slow. And people said 6'8", he stood. And people thought the music that he made was good. There once was a DJ, his name was great. He came up to Monty, this is what he said. You would know you're gonna make some cash. Make $1 million and I'm making the dash. Kind of buzz, all because this is how we do it. Gonna get shit doesn't like nobody does. This is how we do it. Oh, my neighbors, she got much flavor. This is how we do it. I'll never come back from an old school track. This is how we do it. I'm kind of buzz, all because this is how we do it. Just the truth doesn't like nobody does. This is how we do it. To all my neighbors, she got much flavor. This is how we do it. I'll never come back from an old school track. This is how we do it. Hey. Woo. This is how we do it. Yeah. This is how we do it. Hey. Thank you.
Sounds good, brother. All right,
Thank you.
give it up for Geechee Black. Now I know they got some shrimp and grits back there. I'm sure they can hook up the rice and gravy because they got the rice and they got the
Yes,
shrimp.
Lord.
So y'all can get the rice and gravy. All right. Some biscuits, all that. That's mac and cheese. That mac and cheese, the shrimp, gumbo, they got all. You gonna have extra verses all up in the song. Y'all gonna be acting like earlier when I said that we just improv in the church and the praise house. People just add extra lines. Y'all about to stretch out rice and gravy from a 10-minute song. Y'all have it a 30-minute song. Y'all be throwing all y'all favorite Gullah Geechee foods up in there. I ain't mad at you. So yes, make sure that y'all follow Brother Geechee, man. One more time, give him a round of applause, y'all. So that's what we do here in the Gullah Geechee Nation. We do our best to feature ourselves. because too long people took from our culture, took it elsewhere, but never gave credit to us and the credit that's due. And so we still have artists here that are from this coastline, from this region, who are still making their own original tunes as well as covering the tunes of others. And they can bring the party to the house. So we about to keep the party going in just a few minutes, because we about to bring up Beth and Inabinett for the funk of the band.
Let's give it up for Queen Quick, Gullah Geechee Nation. Yeah, give it up for the Go Band. It's a beautiful day. It's a hot day. It's a lovely day. Let me introduce you to the band before we get started. With you in number, the largest sound. On guitar and vocals, give it up please for Grand Belcher. Give it up for Grand. On the drums, yeah, you know we got to give up some. Give it up for Cat Williams. Put down the brick. I'm Beth and Inabinett. Believe we are going to follow. But to get started, let's talk about this lovely day. When I wake up in the morning, love, and the sunlight hits my eyes. Something with my warm love is heavy on my mind. Then I look at you, and the world's alright with me. Just one look at you, and I know it's gonna be a lovely day. Lovely day, such a lovely day. It's gonna be a lovely day. Lovely day, lovely day, lovely day, lovely day, lovely day, lovely day, lovely day. Gonna be a lovely day, such a lovely day. It's gonna be a lovely day, lovely day, lovely day, lovely day, lovely day, lovely day. Gonna be a lovely day, lovely day, lovely day. It's gonna be a lovely day, lovely day, lovely day, lovely day, lovely day, lovely day. It's gonna be a lovely day. What a lovely place. It's a lovely day. Gonna be a lovely day. What a lovely place. It's a lovely day, yeah. And it still is, amen. We had some heat, had some rain. We're gonna time travel on you.
Back to the 60s. Give it up for Graham Belcher on vocals and guitar. We got Calvin Williams on drums tonight. I'm Beth and Inabinett. Collectively, we are for the funk of it. Give it up for the man, single care.
reaching for the bottom. And one need that to follow. See you again. You're sweet, strawberry wine. Honey, I stay strong on your love all the time. I was looking love in all the same places. Found the bottom of the bottle was always dry. But when you poured out your heart, I didn't waste it. 'Cause there is nothing like your love, baby. Tennessee whiskey. You're sweet, strawberry wine. Love is love. It's a honey, I stay strong on your love. They told me that it was over when I saw you and that girl walking around. Something deep down in my soul said, "Cry, girl." When I saw you and that girl walking around, you see, I'd rather
grand belcher, y'all. Yeah. Let's stay together. Brother Al Green. I'm so in love with you. Whatever you want to do, that's alright with me. 'Cause you make me feel so brand new. I want to spend my life with you. Baby, let me stay. Since we've been together, loving you forever is what I need. So let me be the one you come running. I'll never be Get down the sideline. Oh, the smell of the morning flowers as we pass away the hours. Do it, do it, do it.
So this is our first time celebrating Gullah Geechee Black music from Angle Bands. Should we do it again? Y'all sure about that? So we do it again, y'all bringing family and friends and all that, right? Because y'all see what we here to do. We want to support this Gullah Geechee on business. Keep it going, keep it flowing. So once again, thank you, Go Bands. Thank you, Beth and Inabinett, for the funk of it. And give it up for Geechee Man, who's on the road back to North Carolina. He should be halfway home by now. And yeah, so we definitely got much love for y'all. Support Geechee Black, support black musicians, support black music. There's a lot of independent